Hi, this is Abul Kalam. Today we are going to see Aptitude Basic Learning Kit Part 9. Learn from the expert. Okay, we will talk about so many shortcuts. Just watch our continuous videos. Each slide exactly 20 seconds. First question. Area of a rhombus is 850 centimeter square. If one of its diagonal is 34 centimeter, find the length of the other diagonal. How to do this? We know area of the rhombus formula is half into d1 into d2, because d1 into d2 first diagonal and second diagonal they are not same, so they are given the value. So half into d1 into d2 equal to 850. So one of the diagonal is 34, so substitute half into 34 into d2 equal to 850. So once you solve this, you will get answer as 50, because half of 34 is 17, 850 divided by 70 is 50 centimeter. So second diagonal 50 centimeter. If LCM of the two numbers is 4 times the HCF of the two numbers and the product of the two numbers is 196, find the HCF of the numbers. If the LCM of two numbers is 4 times the HCF of the two numbers and the product of two numbers is 196, find the HCF of the numbers. How to do this? We should know the formula. LCM into HCF equal to product of two numbers. So they have given LCM equal to 4H. So 4H into H is equal to 196. Once you solve this, you will get the value H is equal to 7. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Please do remember to subscribe our channel. Thank you.